Generation 2, Rook is up to no good. Meanwhile, at the Autobot fire station, Red Alert gives out the order for the rest of the rescue force to transform and respond. Much to their surprise, the fire is still burning. Red Alert commands the other two to transform as Generation 2 Ratchet and Generation 2 Inferno. What happens next is in your hands. Generation 2 Transformers, brought to you by Hasbro. Some assembly required. The year is 1993, and coming out of the Generation 2 line comes Generation 2 Ratchet. Ratchet has finally shed his entire white scheme and went with this neon yellow. Along the side, with a little bit of neon orange in order to give it more of a reflective look, more appropriate for emergency vehicles. His transformation is absolutely identical to the Generation 1. There are no differences here whatsoever. Still, forming a battle platform. A real simple transformation, yet an effective one. Along the side, with a small robot. The robot is not very big, yet a lot of people still tend to not like this guy because he doesn't really have a head. But it's understandable because of the Diaclone roots it came from. This entire robot is really, really cool. Although the battle platform is pretty neat and a nice add-on, it really adds to the entire aesthetic. And when you put him with the rest of his counterparts, it's absolutely clear that he fits in just fine. His neon colors really pop and tend to fit in with the rest of his group. It does scream the 90s. Well, this has been Plasticon, and this has been yet another Generation 2 review. You guys stay tuned. I'll have more coming your way. Peace out.